Hi everyone, Dr. Katie here on our Scranton campus inside of Weaver Hall, where today I'm talking with our program director, Mr. Tony Delucca, who oversees our 2-year Welding Fabrication and Manufacturing Technology program. Tony, thank you so much for being here with me today.
No problem, Dr. Katie.
Sure, so first of all, tell me a little bit about how you got involved in the industry and how long you've been involved.
I got involved with the industry with my father teaching me how to weld when I was about 12 years old, doing some welding and fabrication work in our own garage at our house.
Yeah.
And I've been in the industry now almost 40 years.
That's great. So you obviously have a love for passing on the craft. So tell me a little bit about what students will learn in our 2-year program.
Our 2-year students will get basically a lot of shielded metal arc welding and gas tungsten arc welding with different types of combination tests, where a lot of field crafts would test them on that. And also we get them in the fabrication shop, fabricating different types of materials. That's a lab that goes on for 6 hours on a Friday, and also in the machine shop where they learn basic machine trades of a lathe and a milling machine.
Wow, that's awesome. They get a lot of great experience in just 2 years. And I think no one knows better than you and I just how in demand our students are. So can you talk a little bit about the job opportunities our students have?
We're trying to make this a job opportunity for students that they could actually go into business a lot for themselves, or become maybe a foreman or a superintendent for a company with all the different aspects that they're getting with the 2-year degree.
That's great. Thank you so much for being here with me today and sharing more about our 2-year degree program.
No problem.